Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is your girl Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today we are going to be unboxing my new slow juicer. Yeah, this is it. I got it from Lagos, so I decided to unbox it with you guys. So let's do it, guys. This is it. Juicing cup, the washing brush, these two. Okay. Or you can use it to match anything that's inside here. Okay, this is the main machine. So let's set it together, guys. Okay, it's like this. Okay. This have to be here. And this have to put this. Yeah. Okay. Then okay. I guess this one. You guys. This is it. Okay. Ooh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. So let's test it together. Let us juice carrot. Let's make carrot juice. Okay, guys, before we use it, let me clean it up, okay? Let me rinse it. I have to do this off the camera. Guys, I'm done. Let's juice together, guys. Let's juice. Okay. enjoy my juice. Let's have my juice. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Nice. Mmm. Nice. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye. Cheers.